and now governs more than 60% of Saudi Aramco crude oil production in safe and reliable manner. The journey of Southern Area Oil Operations started with the inception of the Saudi Aramco, a story that started with Drill Deeper. Strong words from Max Steinecke that reflects the robustness and toughness of which the company in general and Sau in particular was built on. An outcome of his intervention, the future prosperity of Aramco was realized with the commencement of oil production from Dammam Well No. 7 in March 4th of 1938. Following this milestone, exploration started at various areas. Well No. 1 in Abqaiq was drilled, and oil burst forth at quantities that have not been seen before up to that date. Then, Gawar Field was discovered and found to be the largest conventional oil field in the world. With the expansions in Sau oil fields, followed by gas fields, a new chapter of this story has started. A chapter renowned by excellence, pioneering, and innovation. Sau plays a critical role in the company, a role that overlooks some of the largest facilities and fields in the world, a role that started from a single well almost 90 years ago and now governs more than 60% of Saudi Aramco crude oil production in safe and reliable manner. A journey of excellence that would have never been possible without the exceptional efforts from all Sau organizations. And as proudly we speak about our past, we are excited more than ever about our future. A future driven by strategic objectives to excel in safety and environmental performance, to sustain the leadership in hydrocarbon production and processing, led by committed workforce who see excellence as a journey that never stops.
As we are marching into the future, Southern Area Oil Operations visions of excellence is coming true, aiming to grow businesses to sustain coal on demand while reducing our environmental footprint.